Okay, hello everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello all my friends. Today, Monday, November the 25th, November the 25th. Okay, my old friends. Today, Monday, November the 25th. This morning, let me introduce our spring quality machine. Spring quality machine. CNC spring quality machine, also called compression spring machine. Firstly, let me introduce. This is my brief and my company, our factory floor name. Our factory floor name. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City since year 2005. Started in year 2005. Middle-sized spring machine manufacturer. Okay, this is my contact, my WhatsApp, my WeChat. You can contact me and send me your drawing or sample pictures at different angle, different direction. This is Baker. Okay, today the topic is introducing our compression spring machine at the site. At the site, three model, one, two, three models available at the site, coming for the training and the control system. The four axis, 4 mm, two pair feeding rods, sampling clients. This morning, at the early stage of this week, clients left our factory on the site training take 3 to 6 days usually for the using training conversion. 4 axis. The 3 sets is same model, 4 axis, 4 mm. Okay, this is our all related models. All our related models. Okay, show you. Take close look on this page showing all our 6 models. 2 axis 1, 2 axis 2 model, 4 axis 3 model, and 1 model as 6 axis 6 mm. So as generally for the standard one, we now have 6 models covering feeding wire range 0.15 to 6 mm as max. These two axes, 1 pair feeding rod, 2 pair feeding rods, 4 axis, 2 mm, and 4 axis, and on the site, the 3 model in same 3 sets in same model. This on the site, 4 axis, 4 mm model GJ40B. Okay. Meanwhile, this one with super precision edition handle wire, mini wire as like 0.08 or 0.06 millimeter supervision high precision one handling 0.08 millimeter for medical purpose, for the test instrument or high precision industrial instrument equipment. So let me show you give you the samples made by this machine. This one, regular column compression spring machine. As key parameter, wire diameter, spring outer diameter, pitch between the loops, and the total length, free length, free length. This one, 2.5 millimeter. Material is like metals, different metal, as like the spring wire, iron, stainless steel, carbon steel, or panel steel, also like aluminum, copper, bronze, alloy, some alloy like with high electric resistance. And so next, the changing outer diameter. This one, this spring, the outer diameter is changing. Outer diameter is changing. Smaller at both ends, and in the center is get larger. So this and the tower shape, the coin, the tower shape one, and this the bellow water grape wine bellow shape compression spring. This using in the key key pot or key couple, key sheave, T T wheel, part of T wheel, but a pot, a sieve, T accessories. So this like the suspension spring. Suspension spring using a mountain car, in sports car, mountain bicycle, sports bicycle, and the electric bicycle with rear and front fork suspension purpose. Also in motorcycle, suspension spring, suspension spring. Also sports, outdoor sports cushion, jump, high jump cushion. At the chassis of the car, the trucks with suspension spring. This one very typical. This sample concluded different changing, as like spring OD changing, the pitch changing, and the tight. In this period, the tight loops, the OD changing, the the, the pitch also in changing. So this in our spring machine made special shape. This is the slant spring. Slant spring, also called the canted spring. In my hand, the sample made of copper, 1.2 millimeter, widely used in new energy cars, new electric cars for its charging, recharging system, for its charging station and recharging part on the car or on the charging station. 1.2 millimeter copper, and the section shape over, not the along, is the slant canted spring. Slant canted spring widely used in electric cars. Sleeve spring, like household water meter, or using the side sleeve spring. Sleeve spring using in the site with high temperature, high humidity, as like in the nearby along the car's engine, with high temperature or high humidity. Protect the cable's insulation layer. 4 is high temperature using side, high humidity using side. Sleeve spring. Every loop are tighten each other. Every loop tighten each other. Okay, sleeve spring. Also with like this, made of the flat strip, flat strip, stainless steel sleeve spring, widely used in high temperature or high humidity using site, as like engines nearby the engines, or with high humidity as like the household water meter. Meanwhile, as daily life, we have a lot of using sites, as like the ballpoint pen spring and the lotion pump trigger sprayer spring, as like this. So, all in all, compression springs are widely used in our daily life, in industrial using fields, or in our daily life, outdoor sports and sports equipment or sports products related. Suspension, sports suspension, mounting bicycle, suspension at rear front fork, suspension spring. And this is using in the T port. T support the sieve. T using ballpoint pen, oil seal, slant canted spring. This and on the side, 3 sets, 4 axis, 4 millimeter is sampling. And the client now at site for the training, for the using training. This start this morning training, using training usually take 3 to 5 days or max to 9 days for the free using training. It's 4 axis, smart, and setup easy. Switch, changing, so it is also easy for his changing another task, and now another wire thickness, another wire diameter type for his for one set of mode. Tools included the 2 pair feeding rods, guiding plate, coiling finger, and the up and the lower cutter. So tools included 2 pair feeding rods, guiding plates, coiling fingers, 2 coiling fingers, upper and the lower cutter, upper and the lower cutter. Okay, a set of coiling tools. This page telling all our 6 models, 2 axis one and 4 axis and 6 axis. For the wire is like this one, standard 0.15 to 1 millimeter. High precision one is like 0.08 millimeter or 0.076 millimeter. So on the site, now current into our factory for the training. 3 sets in same, all 4 axes, 4 millimeter. Training take okay. If you the visitors interest, you can contact my WhatsApp, my WeChat. Contact my WhatsApp, my WeChat. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China. In Dongguan, South China, in Dongguan City, is about 1 hour from our factory to the Canton Fair complex. 53 kilometers from our factory to Canton Fair complex to Canton Fair halls. 1 hour driving car or by a taxi. Also within 75 minutes from our factory to Guangzhou Airport to Shenzhen International Airport. So we are factory. Our company full name in English and my contacts. I'm the export sales manager. I'm the export sales manager. Okay. The first one, this one, in running up, taking about 24 to 48 hours. Then put on the tools, go sampling. Then clients come to our factory for the free using training, and take the training usually take 3 to 5 days. Usually free using training usually take 2, 3 to 5 days. Or the foreigners, they can stay max of like 9 days for a free using training, because all this one on the site, same lot, 4 axes, 4 millimeter, easily set up, easily for the changing another task. For its mode consists of, for its mode. Okay, interest, please contact me at these details. Send me your sample pictures at different angles, different directions, clear sample pictures, or send me your drawing. I'm Baker, export sales manager, factory. Okay.